Hi, I'm Dave Epstein. Welcome to Growing Wisdom. Today we're at Barry's Greenhouses in Natick, Massachusetts, and they're getting ready for spring. The stuff is moving out, and we're looking at Senettis. Now, early spring, even the middle part of spring, a lot of folks plant pansies, and pansies are great. They come in a wide variety of colors. There's also violas, all looking fantastic. However, Senettis are a plant which you might not be familiar with, but they also have a tremendous number of varieties, and they're a little bit larger. They also flower a bit differently. It's a plant which really has a more substantial leaf to it. It's a little bit taller than your pansies, and you can see all the great colors. So take a look at some of these different varieties. We've got some that are purple and some that are blue and others that are bicolored, and all of these do really well in the early spring coolness. So this is Senetti Magic Salmon, and you can see it has a lighter purple, almost a pink center, fading to a darker color towards the edges of the petals. So this is Senetti Magenta, and you can see why it's called that. What a great color. It really would pop in the garden, especially in mass. This is True Blue. Look at all the buds on this particular one. It's a little smaller than the other Senettis. As the flowers pass, you want to pinch off the old flowers, and that will encourage more blooms. The plant has really nice foliage, and even though it might not flower in the dead of summer, the foliage still will look pretty good. And then later on, as the weather starts to cool off again in fall, the plant will tend to flower once again. Senetti is not hardy in the colder zones. In other words, it is an annual, so you're not going to put it somewhere where you need a perennial, because once you get a hard frost and a freeze, the plant will die. For the best color, I prefer morning sun with a little bit of afternoon shade. Also, the plants don't like to be overwatered. The roots can tend to rot a little bit, so let them dry out and then water them. So in addition to your pansy, Senetti is a great companion plant for those early spring window boxes and containers. For Growing Wisdom, I'm Dave Epstein.